We are off on another adventure. We are going back to Druridge Bay Country Park for Druridge Bay Festival. So come with us on our little journey. So it is really rather loud. We are right next to the only stage. So we're going to have to do a lot of shouting this weekend. But here we are. Dave's having a boogie. We are all set up with our new 3 meter plus our 1.5, which has meant that we can add on the new beautiful cowhide rugs. So we've got the full size and we've also got the tiny hides as well. And then we've just changed the layout ever so slightly. But everything still the same products. So yeah, and Dave actually has the weekend off. He is not doing any work this weekend, so he's drinking. So it's already dark. It's like 8:30, 9 o'clock. And this is Thursday night, guys, and it is pumping. I love all the festoon lighting. We've still got Richard. He's got his photography. He'll be coming in tomorrow and filling in this gap here. And then, oh, there's the moon. That's pretty. That looks awesome.
They're probably quite delicate stepper motors.
Pardon?
They're probably quite delicate stepper motors.
Yeah. Are you singing, Dave? My feet are so cold. Now, the weather has changed considerably since the last time we were at a festival, which was only a few weeks ago. But it is nippy. I can see my own breath. Might be hot water bottle weather tonight. We shall see. But yeah, summer's definitely coming to an end, and I think autumn is coming. Good morning. It is Saturday. I didn't really get much footage done yesterday because it's incredibly loud. We are right next to the PA. So it was loud. I couldn't speak to anybody. I was sat with my headphones on. So yes, and I've woken up this morning, apparently been eaten alive. There's lots of buggies here. It's a lovely, lovely location, but there's lots of buggies. So I've been eaten alive. We've got citronella burning, try and help dissuade the buggies from coming in. And I've already had a workshop this morning. Got another one this afternoon. Everybody's starting to, we've had a sound bath this morning. Everybody's been doing, I think they're still doing park run in the area. So yes, so let's see what Saturday brings. Look who turned up to come and see us. It's Mum and Alan. So there is not a lot of footage in this week's video, and that is because, one, it was incredibly loud. It was a very small festival, so there wasn't really much to show you that I haven't already showed you at other events anyway. And it was cold and I was tired. It's been a very long festival season. We've got 4 events left. I've written down just to let you guys know. So we have done 16 events in 11 different towns in the UK. That includes England and Scotland. We've travelled approximately 2,750 miles. We've spent a third of the summer, from April to September, sleeping in the car. And we still have 4 events left. So by the time we've finished at the end of September, we would have done 20 events this summer. And we'll probably be hitting 3,000 miles of travelling, and a third of our summer spent sleeping in the car. So as you can imagine, I'm a little bit tired and saying ready for a break, but we don't really get a break because the festival season ends. We kind of tie up everything, reopen the order book for Christmas, and also start getting ready for pantomime, because if you don't already know, Dave and I both work pantomime every single Christmas. So we move away from where we live over to Darlington in the northeast for about 6 weeks, and we work pantomime. We do the sound. We do 2 shows a day. It's long and it's tiring, and then we come back in January and we're absolutely knackered, and then we have to kind of try and make money to get us through January, February, and then March we're starting to get ready for the festival season again. So we'd like to try and get a holiday somewhere in there, but that costs money. And yeah, so it hasn't been a very long or exciting video, I don't think, this week, but we're off to Scotland this week for a 1-day event, and it's quite an exciting event, so I will try and get some footage of that. And then in 2 weeks we are off to our final festival of the year at Druridge Bay. No, it's not Druridge Bay, it's Dubs in the Dales. See, I'm tired, I haven't woken up yet. Dubs in the Dales, last festival of the season. I'm excited. I love Dubs in the Dales. We all love Dubs in the Dales. And so I promise that I will get some rest. I'm a bit burnt out, so I'm going to get some rest and get motivated to be on camera again and doing loads of footage for the last festival of the season.